How to control camera in Sims 4. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, you're going to learn how to easily control the camera in The Sims 4. Whether you are playing, building, or trying to capture the perfect screenshot. Let's get started. Basic mouse controls. First, let's talk about the mouse controls. Right-click and drag to rotate around your scene. Use the mouse wheel to zoom in and zoom out. Click and hold the middle mouse button to freely rotate and tilt the camera. Keyboard shortcuts. Now, for some useful keyboard shortcuts, use the arrow keys or W, A, S, D to move the camera. Press K to rotate left and A to rotate right. Use Z or the mouse wheel to zoom in, and X to zoom out. For up and down tilting, use the home and end keys. Switch between camera modes. To get more control, try switching to the Sims 3 camera. Press Ctrl, more Shift, more Tab to toggle between camera styles. Or go to Game Options, Controls and Camera, and check the Sims 3 camera. Free camera mode for screenshots. Want cinematic shots or cool angles? Follow these steps. Press Tab to enter free camera mode. Use W, A, S, D to move, and key and E to rotate, and Z and X to go up and down. Move your mouse to tilt the camera. Press Tab again to exit. Bonus tip. Quick tip. If you ever get stuck, hit Escape to reset the camera to default position. And that's it. This was the full tutorial on how to control the camera in The Sims 4. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.